Ashley from Non-Irritating Reviews, and today we're unboxing a product, a skincare product. I haven't done a skincare video in a while. Hot minute. From Paula's Choice. I've been working with Paula's Choice for like a long time, and I really love their products. I could just reach over and grab a couple of them right now. They have skincare that just works. Just one of my all-time, I'm gonna grab it really quick. This is their Exfoliate Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant with salicylic acid. Even if you have really angry skin, mine is almost gone. There's only a little tiny bit left. This is a product that is not, for me at least, non-irritating. It does make your face red at first, and then that goes away. But it just gets rid of anything. If you have high cell turnover, like rosacea really does do crazy things to your skin. I find that works wonders for me. Anyway, so they sent me this box over, and it's a product I've never tried from them. Hold on, let me put it back in there. It says beauty begins with truth. It's very cool. It's a PR box, obviously. So this is their 25% AHA, which is lactic acid, and 2% BHA, which is their salicylic acid. Rinse off exfoliant peel treatment. This is a 1 ounce tube. It tells you here 25% AHA, effective blend of glycolic, lactic, mandelic, malic, and tartaric acid, reduces appearance of sun damage, fine lines, and wrinkles. The 2% BHA unclogs and refines pores and smooths rough, bumpy texture. Really does. That's what's in that 2%. Butterfly pea flower extract. I have this in there. I used it all now. It was the omega-3 serum. I reviewed that on my blog about a year ago, I guess. Calm signs of redness, soothes irritation, and gives the peel its natural lilac color. So it is a purple color. Skip leave-on exfoliants when using this peel. Always patch test. Finish with SPF 30 for daytime. Don't use on compromised skin. Obviously, if you have open sores or anything, you wouldn't want to use this. Makes sense. Use once a week. Apply after cleansing. Leave on for 10 minutes. After rinsing, follow with toner, treatments, and moisturizer. So you'd put this in between cleansing and then your skincare routine. I'm not going to open it up because obviously it's an peel. I don't put it but I will say that I am going to do a full review on my blog. So if you're interested in checking that out, I will link to that below. I also link to Paula's Choice as well, so you can check them out. I did receive this product obviously for review purposes, but I did want to do an unboxing because it was fun product, and I do like to maybe I will do, you know what we're going to do? We're going to do a review. We're going to wrap it all up after I use this a couple times, maybe 2 weeks from now. We'll come back and then I will add a review in right here. Hey guys, follow up. I have since used this product. I will say that I do enjoy it. I think that this is one that I would recommend for people with skin that isn't as sensitive. This is a little more, it's not, the word rough keeps popping up, but I don't want to say it's rough. It's not rough. It's more, this is intended for people that can tolerate certain chemicals on their skin. My skin, while it worked for my skin, it did make my skin a little angry. So I would say that if you have skin that you know you don't have sensitive skin or whatever, this might be something that you want to try. I do think it works. However, I'm not going to hold on to this. I'm going to pass this off to a friend who I know can use it. But yes, this is another wonderful product from Paula's Choice. I just would recommend that you don't have sensitive skin for it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry it took me so long to get this review up. As always, have a wonderful day. I will see you next time. Or not see you, or just talk to you. Bye-bye.